Hey everybody, welcome to MarineMax, Gulf Shores, Alabama. My name is Lance Finucci, and today we're going to be talking about the legendary Montauk 170 from Boston Whaler. This whaler is 17 feet 4 inches long, just over 7 feet wide, has a Mercury command thrust 90 horsepower engine on the back, and just 12 inches of draft. Just wanted to show you a couple of the features of this Montauk. First of all, as you can see right up front, it is pre-wired for a trolling motor, so that would be an easy add-on. We also have a large anchor locker right up front that'll hold your anchor and up to 150 feet of line. And then, right behind that, you have a large fish box for any of the fish that you catch on the waters of Gulf Shores. Turning around, we can see the helm. And the helm also has a 40-quart insulated cooler with the seat, integrated rod holders, full windshield. We already saw the bimini top from outside. You also have under helm storage. This model also comes with a cover for the entire helm and a cover for the accompanying seat behind the helm. Walking around, all stainless steel. We have the gauges right up front. Comes with a Fusion stereo system with 2 speakers. And moving around to the side, you also have tackle box storage and a convenient place for the fire extinguisher, which will be mounted by us here at MarineMax. The helm seat itself, as you can see right now, does have 2 positions. The position we saw a moment ago, and you can move it completely the other way so you can face backwards. Unique feature about this helm is the live well that's hidden right underneath your seat. The back of the boat, you also have the 2 jump seats that are pre-installed. The backrests are removable, so if you needed to get those out of the way, and so are the cushions right on the seats themselves. Fuel tank, which is new for 2018, is integrated right into the transom of the boat, and you can see it right there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is the Boston Whaler Montauk 170. The unsinkable legend that has become one of the iconic names in boating.